This is where Franco, one of our cocoa suppliers, grows his beans. He's why I got into chocolate manufacturing in the first place. But can you imagine me saying to Franco that he has to provide his data in a certain format? Not really. Franco has very basic systems, and when importing, provides us with enough data to meet our obligations. Most of the time, if we're lucky, our supply chain consists of an exchange of emails or a PDF, and that relationship works. So in an ideal world, we'd still be able to use those emails and PDFs to feed our own systems. Well, that was us 18 months ago. Thankfully, since then, we've implemented a solution from HULFT, and it's met all of these competing data demands, including integration, automation, transfer, extraction, and conversion. The software is already used by over 10,000 companies around the world, so they already knew exactly what we needed. They made integrating to my systems quick and easy, and for others, like my guys in South America, they were able to connect all necessary data and put it into the right format. As a result, we're more efficient as a business, headcount is more strategic, and as the business owner, I have far better visibility across the entire operation. This has worked for me. See what HULFT can do for you.